Welcome, everyone.
Hey everyone, I'm sick. I'm not sick. Just got this constant cough. That's what I have. It's just like this. It always happens to me. Always. I look like a total mess, guys. So excuse my hair. I have to wash my hair today. Just a little bit. So I'm so excited, guys. What, like 2 days ago, I received a little package from PINCHme. If you do not know what that is a app online. Pretty much you get samples based on if you qualify for it. So they'll just ask you a whole bunch of questions about your household. Nothing personal. They ask for income and stuff like that, but you don't have to put that. They ask if you have kids, like if you have any pain, just like a whole bunch of health and other questions. And based on your answer, hold on, I got a notification. Based on your answer, you'll receive, samples. So pretty much how the samples go is not every single day. It's once a month. I believe it's on the 14th of every month. I'm not sure, but it's once a month. And every time, you sign on to the app, it'll let you know how many days left until the new samples arrive. But when that time comes, they give you an exact time. You have to be there within that time, because if not, the samples can go. Now, this is my first box I ever received. Like, I actually signed up a long time ago, but when the time came, I forgot and I wasn't, track with that. So, this is my first box. I actually have another one that I did. So it makes 2 boxes, but I'm waiting for that. The shipping, for it to ship, takes so long. It takes really long, and then once it ships, you should receive your package within, like, what they said, 2 to 4 weeks after it ships. So it takes a really, really long time. When I received this, it shipped on the 24th, I believe, and then I received it the following month. So it takes a little time, and I didn't know it shipped. I contacted them and I was like, wait, it doesn't say if it shipped or not. It's been more than a month, and and then everything got fixed. You can see Isabel, she's sleeping. I was going to take a nap with her, but I was like, you know what? No, let me do this video. I actually want to do a few videos. And I'm like, this is my good opportunity to do it. Oh. Okay. So, this is it. And this is free, guys. You don't only receive makeup. You can receive anything beauty. You can receive food. Anything pretty much, and you can pick the samples you want. That's the good thing. There were 3 samples there, so I picked all 3. I don't think I had to pick all 3, but it's free. So when there's more, I think they do give you a limit. I'm not sure exactly how it goes, but it was only 3 samples that I had, and I picked them all. So pretty much by you want to keep receiving more of these boxes, you have to be on top of this. When you receive it, you have to try it out. Once you try it out, or if you already tried these products, go on the site, on the app, and then you just leave a feedback. You have to leave a feedback so they can see that you enjoy or you did enjoy it, and then they can keep sending you stuff. If not, they don't send you anything. So on the back it says, check your PINCHme box, and now by posting photos of your PINCHme box, you'll be entered in a monthly drawing to win gift cards, exclusive PINCHme boxes, and PINCHme merchandise, and more. So pretty much it says, number 1, snap a photo of the front of your PINCHme box with your free samples. It says you can be creative. 2, share your photo on Instagram, Facebook. Make sure you use the hashtag happy pincher and tag PINCHme in your post. I have to do that. And number 3, tag 3 of your friends in the post. Spread the word about free samples you claim. So I have to do that. I actually took a little collage of the box and then everything inside the box. You know, I did side by side, but I have to post it on my social media accounts. I want to do this video. So this is the pill. So you get this new Garnier Hold Blend Gentle Shampoo. This is really cool. I mean, I've tried this one, but not this exact one. This is really cute. Look at this, guys. And this is good for one use, of course. If you use this on like a little kid, this can be actually good for 2. This is really, really, and this is a gentle shampoo and conditioner with oat milk and rice cream extract. Oh. Ew, this is really cute. I like this, and it's good for 12 months. And then this is really RX Bar Kids. This is protein bars and berry blast. Now this, they actually, you can choose up to 3. Like you can pick either 3. They had chocolate, they had this one, and I believe something with oatmeal. I'm not sure, but I picked this one. This has egg whites, almond, cashews, 1 date, no bad stuff. This is so cute, guys. This is really, really cute. Now, since my other box, I believe I'm gonna get this again. The next item I'm gonna show you, I believe I'm getting again, and then something different. Now, this is what, you know me, I love makeup, guys. You know I love makeup. So when I saw this, I was excited. And this is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Guys, this is so cute. And this is a lot. It's not like this will be good for one use. No. And you know what's funny? Like months ago, I actually received this one. And this was the only shade. Because it was on Facebook, I believe. It was like a post. And Makeup Forever was doing like free samples. And when I went, this was the only shade because I was late. So I was like, oh, I can pick it up. And I have a foundation lightener, so I can just lighten this foundation. But now I have this one, and this one seems like this would be a great match for me now. But when summer comes, you know, I do get a little dark, so I will have to add just a little. So this one is Y335 that they gave me. Oh, it doesn't say exactly, like, I believe this was medium. Yeah, and this one was dark. And then this one that I got a long time ago is Y505. So I'm so excited, guys. Thank you to PINCHme. This is amazing. I mean, I love makeup. You know I love makeup, guys. And when you get free stuff, especially if you haven't even tried, if you haven't even tried something and you're getting it to just sample it, that's amazing. I want to definitely swatch it. I haven't swatched this yet. Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. Let's do like a little test here. You know, when you want to like pick your shade and you're not sure what shade you should pick, never swatch it on your face. You should not do that because of course your face and your neck could be 2 different colors. Of course, you get tanner on your face and not your body, or you get tanner on your body and not your face. So they always says to blend like half and half. So a little bit of your face and some on your neck, just like this. That is nice. Oops. This looks like it would be perfect for me. Yep. And of course, you know, this one, no. But I can definitely mix it. This is really nice. Like, I want to try this now, but I'm going to do a separate video on this because I have a crazy video challenge planned for you guys, and it's going to be nuts. I mean, I don't know how that's going to turn out, but it's going to be nuts. I'm just saying. So yeah, guys, definitely try this. Check this this app out. You know, go to your app store, and it's PINCHme. It's cool. It's really cool. I can't wait for my second box, and that's also 3 boxes as well. I saw videos, and I saw people who have more, of course, more stuff in their box, but I just got 3 because that's all they have for me to pick out, to choose. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like this video, you know, just let me know down below, so every time I receive a box, I would let you know. Don't forget, download the app. You know, it's once a month. You'll receive free samples. Do it, guys. It's free. And also, you can check on the app to check the status of when is it shipped, when it's on its way, and everything. So that's good. And they also send you emails. That's what I like. They send you emails when the month is about to, like, you know, the new samples of the month is starting, what time, when it started, when it ends, and when your stuff ships and everything. They send you. That's good. So yeah, guys, take care. I actually have a few videos I want to do, so of course you're gonna see me wearing the same stuff. I always say this every single time, but yeah, I'm gonna take advantage because she is sleeping. Take care, guys.